Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are keeping really healthy and safe, and that your month of May has been going well so far. As for me, I do have a cold that I'm battling with at the moment, so if my voice comes out a little bit raspy, it's because of that. But today I am doing look number 5 for this Colourpop palette. It would be the final for this series, and I can't wait to do another one. But for this look for today, I want to do an 80s inspired look, and I want to go for something really retro. I do have a sweater inspired by the 80s, and if I could find it, I'll put a picture here, somewhere here or there, and you'll see the colors that I'm trying to go for. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music, and I hope that you like this one. Okay, so now I am done using this palette. Now I am going to just create a blush highlighter combo real quick, and I'll show you the shades I'll end up choosing. So because this is like an inspired 80s look, I really want to take these two shades, so this pink one and this one together with a little bit of white, but mostly these two colors as my base. And I will be mixing that with a highlighter, cream highlighter that I have from Kora Organics. I think this might end up being like my lipstick color, lip gloss combo. I think I did too much. So far it's looking like my shirt, which is pretty ironic because I'm wearing like a peach blouse, but it looks just like it. It's a really pretty bright dark pink shade. Okay, so now I am going to be taking these two together to mix it in with the color I made for the blush shade. And just take a little bit. Okay, my friends, so this would be my finished look. So overall, using this palette 5 times, I have loved it. I loved each look that I came out with. I find that with the shimmers, it's best to apply it with your finger. And the mattes do have a little bit of fallout, but the shades come out really pigmented, and I just think that it blends everything so well with each look that I came out with for this, and I absolutely love it. I'll definitely keep it. It's exciting because lately I have been drawn into collecting the Colourpop Mega palettes and to really skip out on the other ones. I just love collecting just these. I do like Colourpop's formula, but when they come out with like the pressed glitters and the new palettes, I feel like I don't need the palette because I'm not going to use those formulas. So thank you so much for being here, my friend. I really appreciate your time and coming back to watch a video of mine. May God bless always. You take good care. Be safe, be well, my friend. Stay healthy. Make sure you take good care of yourselves when you're out doing errands or when just traveling or anything that you do. That's very, very important. And always make sure to wash your hands before you eat, because that's the #1 thing to prevent any sickness from happening to you, like like the cold or the flu. So I hope to see you in my next video real soon, my friend. And for now, take care and bye.